fail, fail, fail. She failed her driving test. Fall, fall, fall. The leaves fall from the trees in autumn. Feed, feed, feed. The mother bird feeds her chicks. Feel, feel, feel. She feels happy after a good workout. Fight, fight, fight. The two sisters used to fight over toys when they were younger. Like, subscribe, comments and share. Find, find, find. I was able to find my keys in my purse after searching for a few minutes. Finish, finish, finish. He finished his homework before dinner. Fit, fit, fit. This dress doesn't fit me anymore. Fly, fly, fly. The bird flies high in the sky. Fold, fold, fold. She folds her clothes before putting them in a drawer. Practice makes a man perfect. For more practice of the above verbs, listen the stories. Practice 1. In the morning, I feel happy and find my favorite toy. I fight with laughter during playtime. Mom helps me fit into my clothes. At breakfast, I feed myself yummy cereal. At school, I find new friends. In the evening, I fold my clothes neatly. Sometimes, I fall but always get up. I finish my homework with a smile. Before bed, I fly in my dreams. Even if I fail, I know I can try again. Practice 2. Once upon a time, a little bird named Buddy wanted to fly. On his first try, he felt a bit scared and began to fall. But Buddy didn't want to fail. He found courage and decided to fight his fear. With determination, once upon a time, a little bird named Buddy wanted to fly. On his first try, he felt a bit scared and began to fall. But Buddy didn't want to fail. He found courage and decided to fight his fear. With determination, showing that even little birds can achieve big things. Practice 3. Once upon a time, a little seed wanted to find a place to grow. It didn't want to fail, so it tried its best. The seed had to fight through the soil and fall a few times, but it kept going. With sunlight and water, it began to feed and feel strong. The little plant worked hard to fit in its garden and finally, it could fly its leaves in the breeze. Happy and proud, it knew it had finished its journey. The end.
Follow, follow, follow. The dog follows his owner everywhere. Forbid, forbid, forbid. The sign forbids smoking in the park. Forget, forget, forget. I always forget my passwords. Forgive, forgive, forgive. She forgave him for his mistake. Freeze, freeze, freeze. The water freezes in winter.
Like, subscribe, comments and share.
Fry, fry, fry. He fries the eggs for breakfast. Fear, fear, fear. I fear the dark. Focus, focus, focus. She tried to focus the camera. Force, force, force. He forced himself to finish the race. Form, form, form. The artist will form a sculpture from clay.
Practice makes a man perfect. For more practice of the above verbs, listen the stories. Practice 1.
I follow the morning routine Mom made. She forbids me from eating cookies for breakfast. Sometimes, I forget to tie my shoes, but she forgives me with a smile. In winter, puddles freeze, and I fear slipping. Mom focuses on helping me with my homework. She doesn't force me, we work together. In the kitchen, we fry eggs for lunch. I form shapes with my Play-Doh after school. Every day is a new adventure.
Practice 2.
Once upon a time, a little bunny named Benny learned a lesson about forgiveness. Benny's friend, Freddie, accidentally froze his favorite carrot in the ice. At first, Benny wanted to forbid Freddie from playing. But then he decided to forgive. Benny understood that mistakes happen and decided to focus on forming new friendships. Instead of fearing accidents, the friends followed each other, finding joy in playing together. Benny even showed Freddie how to fry veggies, turning a chilly situation into a warm and tasty adventure.
Practice 3.
Once upon a time, a tiny seed wanted to form into a beautiful flower. It had to follow the sunlight and not forget to drink water. The seed was told to never fear the rain but instead focus on growing. It learned not to force its way through the soil but to patiently wait. Even when winter tried to freeze it, the seed didn't forbid the cold. In the end, the flower could forgive the challenges and bloom happily.